There's nothing quite like the smell and the feel of genuine leather. I'm Katie with WTI, and I have found the perfect gift for the man or the grad in your life. This Masa Kawa backpack is thoughtfully created to be functional and gorgeous, and I'm going to show you the standout features that had me falling in love. Check out how many pockets it has, the high quality hardware, and sturdy construction. It comes with its own gift bag and care instructions. The interior is so thoughtfully designed with not only pockets, but straps and padded separators to keep your laptop and tablets safe. They've even added a strap to the back to keep the padded shoulder straps in place if you just want to grab it by the handle. The back is also padded for extra comfort. This is a beautiful bag that any man or woman would be proud to carry, and that's my point of view.